Welcome back, guys, and thanks for checking out today's video. I have a super cool RSX in the shop for tuning today, and I wanted to make a video for you guys because I thought you might enjoy it. So this is a 2002 RSX Type S, and the owner here has swapped in Acura TSX K24 engine and done a set of cams. I already tuned it, put down some good numbers, but like normal, I'll go through the build, share some shots of the dyno pulls, and then share the final results at the end. So, as I mentioned, this has a K24 swap in it. The owner has swapped in a 2004 Acura TSX engine. It is the K24A2. He did upgrade the oil pump to an RSX oil pump and did the 50-degree VTC Cam Gear wheel. He also swapped in a set of drag Cartel drop-in cams. So I'm gonna go through the build. I'll start at the intake side. It has a hybrid racing 3-inch cold air intake to the Blox. I believe it's a 72mm throttle body. He has an RBC that's been cut open, port and polished on the inside, matched to the throttle body. He's running RDX injectors, and he has a Skunk 2 Mega Power header and a K-tuned 3-inch exhaust. It's still on the original fuel pump. It's on 94 octane pump gas, and I've tuned it on a Hondata Kpro V3 today. Super cool car. I love this color. I wish my RSX was this color. I really wanted to try to find a blue one, but I ended up with the white one. He's done some cool stuff. It normally would have a lip, but it's off for paint right now. And he has a cool tire combo. It is Koenig Hypergram 17x9 plus 40, I believe, with the new Nankang CR1 tires, 245 4017. I really want to try out these tires. They look super cool, and I think they're a reasonable price, and they should hook really well. He's also done Brumbo brakes up front because this is more of a track car for him. So I know a lot of you guys have been asking about me getting it up and idling, and so you can hear what the cams sound like. So why don't I jump in the car, get it up and running, idling, and let's see how that sound turns out. But GoPro doesn't usually do a great job of capturing sound. So let's try that. Okay, engine's idling. Doesn't really sound any different than a normal Cage Series engine idling. The injectors, RDX injectors, are a bit noisy, so you hear a bit of ticking from that, but realistically, it idles fairly standard. The exhaust note's pretty deep because it is a 3-inch exhaust. So I don't know how well the camera's picking this all up, but hopefully this helps. Hopefully it satisfies those that are interested in how the idle quality is with these cams. And next time I get a set of something bigger, I will also do this if you guys like it. So that's probably about it for the build. Why don't I cut to some shots of the dyno pulls, and then we'll share the final results at the end. right, guys, hope you enjoyed those dyno pulls. All said and done with the tune, we ended up putting down 242 horse, 188 foot-pounds torque. This is the 04 TSX engine, so it's not the best one. It has like the slightly weaker rods, and it has the head that doesn't flow as well and all that stuff. So like I said, stock K24A2 head, stock K24A2 bottom end, but with the upgraded oil pump and the upgraded VTC, and obviously the drag cartel drop-in cams. So pretty good results in my opinion. 242, 188, not bad at all. Anyways, I think that's about it for this setup. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. If you do like it, do me the favor, hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll continue to keep making these videos for you guys. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye now.